Private higher institutions of learning are challenged with admitting students because they first try to get admissions in public institutions, and after failing, they turn to the private, which delays the process and at times some miss out. The chairperson board of directors, Johnass International College of Health Sciences in Buikwe district, Engineer Twesigye John Ntamuhiira, expressed the need for joint admissions.
Since these students who are coming here are not foreigners, most of them are Ugandans. And those going to government schools are also Ugandans. You would probably think of having a joint admission. If you invite our principals, they participate those in the government, so that you do the distribution at once, so that we can all get equal numbers of students.
While speaking during the second graduation ceremony of Johnass International College of Health Sciences, where over 300 students were conferred with certificates and diplomas in nurse and midwifery, Ntamuhiira said URA should come up with a plan to train and educate institutions on how to manage taxes.
Able to manage the tax, but above all, be helped on how remittances can be done. You wake up in the morning, you find an email, they are sending you a bill of about 300 million shillings that you have failed to pay the tax. It impacts on our students. When students go to train in government hospitals and the charges are high, being a private institution, chances are that fees will go to the students.
The Senior Examinations Officer, Uganda Nurses and Midwives Examinations Board, KIPROP, Irene, said it is important to equip the nurses and midwives with soft skills like communication for them to have a positive attitude and be empathetic to the patients.
Situation that the nurse should relate well with the patient, to be able to interact and get information so that you give a better care. I could develop empathy. A spirit of empathy is fitting in the position of a patient and feel if you were the one that were in that state, what care do we want to receive?
Officiating at the graduation ceremony, the Commissioner Health Training Institutions, Minister of Education and Sports, Dr. Safina Musene, urged the graduates to ensure they observe protective measures while handling patients, the fact that there is an Ebola outbreak in the country.
But also let us be available for our patients. We have known the precautions that we have available. We can protect ourselves as we serve our patients.
Heads of these institutions also think that if reforms in the technical vocational education training policy are implemented, it will give their students opportunity to train in the right life skills. I'm Navka Farida, reporting.